Okay friends, welcome to IACA. So friends, today we are going to discuss RRB Officer Scale 1 Prelims Grant Test number 46. So friends, take your first question. Sige. So friends, in reasoning here 1 to 40 here we are having questions. Take here 1 to 5. Sige. 8% total here we are having 8 members sitting in a straight row. Next, some of them is facing north while some of them is facing south. Next, person sitting at the extreme end says faces north. Yes, friends, check here. So friends, total here we are having 8 members. Total we are having 8 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 members. But person is sitting at extreme ends are facing north. Leave it. Next one. So friends, here, but our requirement is what? Some of them is facing north, some of them is facing south. Leave. H is sitting second right of C. H is sitting second right of C. Who faces south? That means C is facing south. Leave. Two persons in between H and G. Who faces south? G is facing south. Next. At most two persons sits to the left of C. So left of C, here we are having at most two persons. At most two persons, yes. But here we know C is facing south. So at most left of C, here we are having two members. That means left of C, maximum we are having two members. Minimum is what? 0 also. Suppose C is facing south, then C, here no chance. If you take a C, then left of C, 1% chance. Next, left of C, 2% also chance. That means take here one more possibility. Friends, take here. Total here we are having 8 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 members. Next, those one who is at extreme ends are facing north now. So left of C, at most maximum we are having 2 members. That means left of C, no person, no chance. Why mean this one is facing north, but our requirement C is facing south. So left of C, 1 member chance, 2 members also chance. If you know about C means H is second right of C. H is second right of C. For C facing south, first right, second right is what? H. For C facing south, first right, second right is what? Here, H. H is second right of C. Next one. Two persons in between H and G, but G is facing south. Between H and G, two members. H 1 to G, but G facing north. Our requirement G is facing south. Now H 1 to different spot. Here G is facing south. Now H 1 to different spot. Here G chance. H 1 to G here no chance. Why mean G is facing south. Now H 1 to different spot. Here G is facing south. Leave it. Next point. Friends, again, A sits immediate left of G. A is immediate left of G. G facing south. A is immediate left of G. Here A is immediate left of G. Leave it. Next one. D sits tall left of F. D is tall left of F, but does not sit at extreme end. D is tall left of F. D is tall left of F. And check it. D is tall left of F, but D is not at extreme end. D is not at extreme end. Leave it. F and E are facing same directions. F and E are facing same direction. F and E are facing same direction means here A facing north, then F also facing north. Then D is tall left of F, but F is facing north. F is facing north. Then only possibility is what? So if I take here F and if I take here F facing north, first left, second left, tall left is what? D. D is tall left of F, F is facing north. That means F and A both are facing same direction. D is not at extreme end now. Friends, D is tall left of F. D is tall left of F. So friends, D is tall left of F means now possibility is one. Friends, check. If I take area of first left, second left, tall left, no chance. If I take area of first left, second left, no chance. Now, if I take here F and if I take here F, now first left, second left, tall left is what? Here D. But D is not at extreme. D is not at extreme. If I take here F means then D is tall left, no chance. Then this possibility is wrong. Next one. Next point again. B faces south. Here B is facing south. Now remind this is the only possibility for B. Now B is facing south. Next point is what? Remaining person is what? E. Remaining person is what? Here E. Next go for next point. H and D are in different direction. Yes again. H and D facing different direction. We don't know H and D directions. Leave it. E and H facing the same direction. E and H facing the same direction. E is north. Now H also north. Why mean they mention E and H both are facing same direction. If H is north means now they mention is what? H and D are facing different. H is north means now D is south. Yes, this is the given one. Now take here. Question number 1. See here, question number 1. Who sits tall left of B? Who sits tall left of B? For B, first left, second left, tall left is what? C. Question number 1. Answer is option B. Tall left of B is what? 1, 2, 3. Answer is what? C and next one. Question number 2. How many persons sit between E and C? Between E and C, how many persons are there? Between E and C. to 4 persons. Yes. So between E and C here we are having 4 persons. Yes. So answer is what? Option D. Here 4 members. Next question. See here. Find the odd one now. That means out of given 5, 4 is same, 1 is different. Which one is the different? Now take care F. F is facing north. F is facing north. H is facing north. E is facing north. D. Sorry. A is facing here north. Next D is facing south. Then which is the different one? Different means answer is what? Option E. Why mean remaining all are facing north, but D is facing south. So answer is what? Option E. Question number 4. Question number 4. Friends, okay. What is the position of E with respect to F? Position of E with respect to F. For F, first left, second left, third left, fourth left. So answer is what? Fourth to the left. Question number 4. Option D. Question number 5. Who sits immediate right of D? Who is sitting immediate right of D? D facing south. Immediate right of D is what? E. So question number 5. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 6 to 10. Question number 6 to 10. Yes, one check here. The given is what? 6% STUV, W and X belongs to different states among MP, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, UP, AP and Bihar. Next, each of them has a number of coins among 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. Yes. Not more than 2% belongs to same state or having the same coin. That means maximum 2 members are belongs to same state, maximum 2% having the same coins. Yes, leave it. Take your percent. Sige. Given persons are yes, Nifan is for T, Nifan is for U, V, W, X. Yes, leave it. Next, go for first point. Friends, okay. Friends, okay. Only S has 6 coins. Yes, friends, okay. They make fun is part. Only S has 6 coins. Yes. So, friends, take one's coins 4, 5, next 6, 7, 9. Only S having 6 coins. That means no any other person having the 6 coins. Leave it. Next. T, who is from MP? Now, T is from MP and sige. T is from Madhya Pradesh. Sige. T is from Madhya Pradesh. Next, he has 2 coins more than that of V. Now, friends, check here. T equal to V plus 2. T equal to V plus 2. So, friends, here T equal to V plus 2 means for T possibilities is what? If I take here V is 5, now T is what? 7 chance. If I take here V is 7, then T is what? 9 also chance. That means there is chance to get 2 possibilities. There is chance to get 2 possibilities. Suppose if I take here V is 5, now T is what? 7. T is what? 7. Next possibility is what? If V is 7, now T is what? 9. Then take one more possibility. Yes, T. Next U, V, W, X. Now, friends, check here. Friends, if I take here, S is what? Only 6 coins. Now, if I take V is what? 7. V is what? 7. Now, T is what? 9. So, friends, check here T is from MP. T is from Madhya Pradesh. Yes, leave it. So, the dimension is what? T is from Madhya Pradesh, has 2 coins more than that of V. That means for T and V, here 5, 7, otherwise 7, 9. 2 possibilities we are having. Leave it. Next, go for next point. So, again, X, who is from Tamil Nadu? X is from Tamil Nadu. X is from Tamil Nadu. Yes, friends, check here. X is from Tamil Nadu. Next, has 7 coins. Yes. Now here also X is from Tamil Nadu. X is from here Tamil Nadu, having 7 coins. Having 7 coins. Yes, leave it. Person with 6 coins and 9 coins belongs to the same state. 6 coins and 9 coins belongs to the same state. In this case, 6 and 9, these two belongs to the same state. This one is MP. Now this one also here MP. Now here in this case we don't know. In this case we don't know. Leave it. Next one. Friends, here person who is from Bihar, one more coin than W. The one who is from Bihar, one more coin than W. Now, what are the coins completed? 6 only for S, 7 completed. Now 5 completed. Now remaining is part here 4 and 9. Remaining is part 4 and 9. But the one who is from Bihar, one coin more than W. Suppose, friends, here if I take here W is 4, W is part 4. Now Bihar is part 5. Yes or no? This is the only possibility. The one who is from Bihar is one more kind than W. One more kind than W. W is 4 means Bihar is what? Here 5. Now in this case, the one who is from Bihar, one more coin than W. So friends, here remaining coins are 7 completed. Next 6 completed. 7 completed means next 7 completed. Next 6 also completed. Now remaining only possibilities are one difference means possibilities what? 4 and 5. Suppose, friends, if I take W is 4, now UV is what? 5. UV is what? 5. But the dimension is what? UV is neither from Bihar nor AP. That means, so the one who is from Bihar, one more kind than one more kind than W me, this one is compulsory Bihar, but if is not from Bihar me, this possibility is wrong. Now next point friends again, the next one is part UV is neither from Bihar nor AP. Now remaining is what friends again, remaining kind number is what 9. So UV is not from Bihar or AP. So for you Bihar no chance, next AP also no chance, AP also no chance. Now MP also no chance. Why means maximum we are having 2 persons only. Here S and U, that means those one who is having 6 and 9 coins belongs to same state. So MP means again 3 members we will get. That means MP also no chance. Next one is what Tamil Nadu also no chance. Why means Tamil Nadu already one person completed. Here 2 means again 3 members. Tamil Nadu also no chance. Then only possibility is what? Only possibility is what? UP. Then this one is what? UP. This one also here UP. This one also here UP. Next remaining is what? Friends check it. Remaining state is what? AP. Remaining is what? Here AP. Yes. This is the given one. Take your questions. So question number 6. W belongs to which state? Friends, W is belongs to which state here? AP. So question number 6. Answer is what? AP. Question number 6. Option D. Question number 7. Who is from Bihar? Who is from Bihar? Here B. Question number 7. Option B. Question number 8. Sum of the total number of coins of W1 is. W is what? 4. Now S is what? 6. Total is what? 10. Total is what? 10. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 9. Who among the following is from UP? Who is from UP? S and U. S and U. Person with 5 coins? No. V. No. U. Next. U. Possibility. Yes. Next one. W. No. Then answer is what? Here. U. So friends, who is from UP means from UP here we have 2 members. S and U. But again only U is the option. Then simple answer is what? Option C. Question number 10. A difference between number of coins with U and person from AP. U and AP. U having 9 coins. AP having friends here 4 coins. Difference is what? 5 coins. Difference is what? 5 coins. Question number 10. Answer is option D. Friends here question number 11. So here given one is what? How many pairs of letters are there in the word gasoline? Yes friends here. Yes friends here. They given one is what? Gasoline. Better to take alphabet. Here 7, 1, 19, 15, 12. Next one is what? Here. 9. Next one is what? 14. Next one is what? Here 5. If you are able to remember face values, take face values. If not, go with alphabets only. Now. So how many such pairs or letters are there? Yes friends here. 7. After 7 what will come? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. No. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. Next 19. After 19 no number. Leave it. 15. After 15 no number. Leave. Now next 12, 13, 14. Pair is matched. Next one is what? 9, 10, 11. No. 14, 15. No. Take reverse. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9 no number. Leave it. Next one. 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, leave it. Next one. 9, 10, 11, 12, no. Next 12, 13, 14, no. 15, 16, 17, no. 19, 20, no. That means reverse there is no pair. That means answer is what? Only one pair. Answer is option C. Next friends here. Question number 12 to 14. Question number 12 to 14. There are 10 members A to A, B, C, D, E, G, H, J and K. In the family, A is married to K. The next one is what? Here, A is married to K. Take care. A is married to K. Leave it. Next one. B is the son of J. B is the son of J. Yes, friends, check it. B is the son of J. Next, K and J are sisters. Now, friends, check it. K and J both are sisters. Now, before point is what? B is son of J. B is son of J. Leave it. Next one. E is brother of B. E is brother of B. Stay here. E is brother of B. Next, F is father-in-law of A. F is father-in-law of A. So friends here, F is father-in-law of A. Father-in-law means what? Husband father or wife father. So here, A wife is what? K. K father is what? F. F is father-in-law of A. Next, J is daughter of G. J is daughter of G. Already J is daughter of F. That means here F and G both are here couples. F plus means what? G is minus. Next one. C is father of E. C is father of E. Now that means here J and C both are couples. J and C both are couples. Now friends here J is minus me. Now C is plus. C. The next one is what? C is father of E. In this case C is father of E. Next one. D is cousin brother of E. D is cousin brother of E. That means here D this one. Now D is cousin brother of E. D is cousin brother of E. Yes. Next one. H is mother-in-law of K. H is mother-in-law of K. So when the next one is what? See here. H is mother-in-law of K. That means one check here. H is mother-in-law of K. H is mother-in-law of K. That means here K and A both are couples. K and A both are couples. See here. Before one is what? D is cousin brother of E. D is cousin brother of E. So when see here cousin means what? Aunt or uncle, son or daughter is what? Cousin. Now D is cousin brother of B. D is cousin brother of B. Yes. Now this is the given entire data. And total how many members here? 10 members. Check once. 4, next 7, next 3. Total 10 members completed. Take your question. How D is related to H? How D is related to H? Friends here, how D is related to H? Grandson. H son is what? A son is what? D. So how D is related to H means answer is what? Grandson. Question number 12, option B. Question number 13, how C is related to K? How C is related to K? K sister is what? J. J husband is what? C. That means your sister husband is what? Brother-in-law. So how C is related to K means answer is what? Brother-in-law. Answer is option C. Next, how F is related to E? How F is related to E? Friends, how F is related to E? E mother is what? J. J father is what? Yeah. That means here mother father is what? Grandfather. So how F is related to E means answer is what? Grandfather. Option B. Question number 15 to 18. See here. Directly take the question. Directly take the question. What is the code for farmers in the code language? Farmers. Check once farmers is present in which lines. Here we are having farmers. Here also we are having farmers. Yes. That means first line, third line common information is farmer. Then first line, third line common code. LIK not there. TIK yes, TIK there. TIK also. Friends here. TIK also there. MIK not there. BIK also not there. Then simple answer is what? TIK. Answer is what? TIK. So what the code for farmer? See here. Only information in second line, sorry, first line and second, third line is what? Farmer. Only code in first line and third line is what? Here. TIK. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 16. Friends here. What the code for scheme waiver in the given code language? Check one scheme waiver. Friends here. First line are there, second line are there. Next, only present in third line here. Given information are scheme waiver. Yes. So that means only information in third line is what? Scheme and waiver. Then check here. QIK remaining lines QIK is there or not there? Not there. Then leave it. TIK here TIK is there. TIK there. Eliminate. WEK remaining lines it is there or not there? WEK remaining lines it is not there. Chance. SAK here SAK last line SAK. That means SAK also not there. That means what the code for scheme means we can't say QIK, WEK, SAK. Next what the code for waiver means then QIK, WEK, SAK. Then answer is what? Can't be determined. Why means here we are having only 2 information, but here we are having only 3 code. That means there is chance to get which code we don't know. So answer is what? Can't say. Question number 17. Which of the following word is coded as BIK ZXK? BIK next one is what? ZXK in the code language. See here. BIK first line here last line. So friends here first line last line second line also it is there. Check once. So friends here poor farmers are helpless. Friends check here. Here we are having R. Here also we are having R. Next. Here also we are having R. That means BIK stands for R. BIK stands for here R. Otherwise, friends check here. Helpless. Here we are having helpless. Here also we are having helpless. Here also we are having helpless. Here also we are having helpless. That means, friends check here. Here one more code is same. Here MIK. Here also MIK. Here also MIK. Here also we are having MIK. That means what the code for helpless means? What the code for helpless means? Answer is what? ARER MIK. ARER MIK. We can't say. Leave it. Next one. So the next one is what? See here. ZXK. This one is what? ZXK. ZXK present in which lines? One check here. Here ZXK here it is there. Remaining lines whether it is there? Not there. That means only information. See here. Helpless already completed. R completed. People next few. People here there. Next remaining lines. People few one. People few. Check remaining lines. Remaining lines it is not there. That means what the code for here? People are few means answer is what? People are few. Answer is what? Here MIK also eliminated. Then answer is what? PIK or PIK or ZXK, PIK or ZXK, PIK or ZXK. That means friends, okay. So what the code for ZXK means what? There is chance to take people, there is chance to take few. Next, what the code for here? MIK. What the sorry BIK. So friends, what the code for BIK means what? What the code for BIK means? There is a chance to take. See here, there is chance to take ARER. Otherwise, there is chance to take MIKN. See here. So friends, okay, what the code for BIK means what? Friends, okay, what the code for BIK means? BIK or MIK is what? Or otherwise helpless. That means our requirement is what? BIK. BIK stands for here or otherwise helpless or otherwise helpless. Next, ZXK. ZXK stands for here. People are few. People are few. Check once. Few people. Yes, both no chance. Both no chance. Why means here BIK requirement, next ZXK also requirement. That means here one information, here one information. But here they given two information in that place, no chance. Next, helpless people. Yes, this one is chance. Helpless is people. Helpless means what? Here BIK, people means what? ZXK. This one is chance. Next one. So this one is chance mean. Next check here either B or D. Now go for this one. Y means A no chance. Then go for D. Few people, few helpless. Yes. Here few chance. Here helpless also chance. Then answer is what? Either B or D. So answer is option E. Question number 17. Option E. Question number 18. If government waived off waiver scheme is called as WEK, OIK, SAK, then for you may be called as for you. Yes, one check here. One check here. For you present in which line? For you present in which line? So friends here. So friends, first check U1. First check here U. So friends, first line U not there, second line not there, third line not there, fourth line also not there. That means UV is one different code. UV is new code. Next for. So friends here we are having for and here we are having for. Next. Here we are having for and remaining lines it is not there. That means eliminate remaining codes. Friends check here. So friends check here QIK. Friends check here QIK whether it is present in remaining lines. Not there. TIK there. Yes, TIK eliminate. WEK eliminate. SAK eliminate. Then answer is what? QIK. So what the code for means answer is what? QIK. U code is what? New code. Now QIK, TIK no chance. Why means TIK already present. Here UV is not present in our given information. Code is what? New code. Code is what? New code. So this one no chance. Second one. So friends check LIK, TIK no chance. Next one third one. BIK in front is what? FIK. So friends BIK in front is what? Here FIK. BIK, FIK. This one also no chance. Next fifth one either B no chance. Fifth one see QIK, J and K. QIK means what? For J and K. Whether it is present J and K not there. Then this is the answer. Yes. So friends here UV is not present in our given information. The code is what? Except the given code. That means new code. Question number 18. Option E. Question number 19 to 23. 19 to 23. Yes, friends here. 9 persons KL, MNO, PQ, R and S are living on a 9th floor building in Jaipur, but not necessarily in the same order. Ground floor is number 1. Topmost floor is what? Number 2. Yes. Now leave. See here. Ground floor is number 1. Above it is number 2. Topmost is what? 9. See here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, friends, here for this question, by taking simply possibilities, I will explain it. With possibility, it will take very less time. See here. So friends, here M lives on even number floor. M lives on even number floor. Then for M possibilities are there is chance to take 8th floor. There is chance to take 6th floor. There is chance to take 4th floor. There is chance to take 2nd floor also. And next, there are 4 persons live between M and O. That means for this one, take possibility solvent. It is too easy. Why means maybe you will think more possibilities, but it will eliminate within 2 lines. And see here. Now friends, here ground floor is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one is what? 9. M is even number 4. 8th chance, 6th chance. Next one is what? 4th chance. Next one is what? 2 also chance. Yes, leave it. Now between M and O, friends, here the next one is what? There are 4 persons live between M and O. Yes, leave it. Between M and O, 4 persons. P lives below M on odd number floor, but not live immediately below M. So friends, here P lives below M. P lives below M on odd number floor. So below M is what? This is the only possibility for P, but P and M are not. P is not immediately below M. No chance. P is below M, but not on immediate. So for P here, odd number floor means what? Third chance, one chance. But P is not neighbor of M. This is the possibility for P. Is the possibility for P. Now in this case, friends, okay, P is below M, but P lives on odd number floor, but not immediate of M. So for P, here chance, here chance, here chance. Then here we are having more possibilities. Yes, leave it. Next, take here. The given is part. There are four people live between M and O. Between M and O, four people. M 1, 2, 3, 4. O. Here M 1, 2, 3, 4 different spot. O. Now M 1, 2, 3, 4 different spot. Here O. P is below M, P lives on odd number floor, but not immediately below M. Now, this is the possibility for P. This is the possibility for P. Next, friends, here in this case, between M and O, completed. Leave it. Next one. See here, there are only three persons in between R and N. Leave it. Only one person is between N and O. Between N and O, here we are having one member. Yes, N and O, 1%. Here O and N, 1%. Is there any chance? No, leave it. Now O and N, 1% means here N chance. Next year also N chance. Leave it. Next one. If you know about N means three persons in between R and N. Between R and N, three members. N 1, 2, 3. This one is part R. So friends, suppose if I will take friends again. If I will take here N and if I will take here N, now 1, 2, 3, this one is part R, this one is part R. But our requirement is part P is below M but lives on odd number of floor. Here, where the chance 1, 3, 5, no chance for P. Suppose if I will take this one is part N, between O and N, 1 members. Now between R and N and R, between N and R, 3 members. N and R 3 members means N 1, 2, 3, here R chance. Then P here, P is odd number floor below M, no chance. Then take R is upside. N 1, 2, 3. The one is part here R. Now friends, here P is below M. P is below M. Lives on odd number floor, but not immediately below. So friends, here for P here no chance. Now this is the only possibility for P. This is the possibility for P. Now next leave it. Next go for next point. So here Q lives immediately below. Yes. Q and S are immediate. This is the only possibility. Q is immediately below. Yes. Q is immediately below. Yes. Q is immediately below. Yes. Next one is one. See here, there are more than 3 persons live between K and L. Remain K and L, these two are the only possibility. This one is empty, this one is empty. But between K and L, here we are having more than 3%. Then this possibility, no chance. So between K and L, more than 3 members means here, chance. Next, L, who does not live on one of the floor above S. That means L is below S. Now, this one is for K. But between K and L, here we are having more than 3. More than 3 means here, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5 members here we are having. Now condition is satisfied. Now take your question. Question number 19. Question number 19. Friend, check here. On which of the following floor Q lives? Q lives on which floor here? 5th floor. So question number 19. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 20. Who among the following lives on the 8th floor? Who lives on the 8th floor here? K. So question number 20. Answer is option A. Question number 21. Who among the following lives immediately below M? Immediately below M. Who is here? R. So question number 21, answer is what? Option E. Question number 22, how many persons live between O and S? Between O and S, how many persons here we are having? 2%. So question number 22, answer is option B. Question number 23, 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain group. Next, find which one is not belong. That means after given 5, 4 is same, 1 is different. Which one is the different? Now, N lives on which floor? Odd. N lives on odd floor. Next, O lives on which floor? Odd number floor. Next, Q lives on odd number floor. R lives on odd number floor. K lives on even number floor. Then which is the difference? K. Remaining all are odd number floor, but K is even number floor. Question number 24 to 28. 8 people, Parul, Nidhi, Ruchi, Seetal, Manisha, Divya, Tina and Lavisha are sitting around a rectangular table. Next, where 3 are sitting on each width side. So 3 is at width side. Sige. Compulsory this point and without raising this one, here 3 members means we will take simply length, but the mention is what? 3 are sitting in the width side. Yes, friends, here. So friends, here this is the rectangle. This is the rectangle. The mention is what? 3 are sitting in the width side. 3 are sitting in the width side. Yes, 3 members are sitting at the width. Next, 1 on each of the length. Yes, friends, here. On length here we are having 1%. Yes. So length side here we are having 1%. Width side here we are having 3 members. Yes, leave it. Next one is what? All of them are facing the center. Live. They are from different states: Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Goa, but not necessarily in the same order. Leave it. Next one. Friends, check here. Next point. See here. So friends, here first point is what? The person from Goa is sitting. The person from Goa is sitting. Second left of Seetal. We don't know about Goa and Seetal, where they're sitting. Leave it. Next. The person from Gujarat is sitting. Person from Gujarat is sitting. Third right of Manisha. Third right of Manisha. Leave it. Now Tina and Divya are sitting opposite to each other. Tina and Divya both are opposite to each other. The person from Rajasthan is sitting diagonal opposite to Ruchi. Rajasthan is diagonal opposite to Ruchi. Yes, leave it. Next one. Nidhi is sitting opposite to the person who is from Madhya Pradesh. Next. The person from Punjab is sitting second right of person from Uttarakhand and second left of Parul, who is not sitting near to the person who is from Rajasthan. That means Parul is not near to the Rajasthan. Leave. Tina is sitting on the length side and to the right of person who is from Rajasthan. Yes, this is the clue point. Tina is sitting on the length side. Now, friends, if I take a different spot here, Tina. Friends, the next one is what? Three members are at the width, one is at the length. Now, Tina is at the length. Now, Tina is sitting to the right of person who is from Rajasthan. Now, Tina is right of person from Rajasthan. This one is what? Here, Rajasthan. This one is what? Here, Rajasthan. If you know Rajasthan means, they mention one is what? Ruchi and Rajasthan both are. The person from Rajasthan is sitting diagonal opposite to Ruchi. Now, Rajasthan is diagonal opposite to Ruchi means this one is what? Rajasthan. Diagonal means what? This one. Now, this one is what? Here, Ruchi. So, Rajasthan is diagonal opposite to Ruchi. Next. Friends, next one is what? Friends, again. Next point they given one is what? So, again, if you know about Tina means, they given before one point. Tina and Divya are sitting. Tina and Divya are sitting opposite to each other. Now, this one is Tina means, now this one is what? Here, Divya. This one is what? Here, Divya. Tina and Divya are sitting opposite to each other. Opposite to each other. Yes. Next. After next point is what? Tina is sitting to the length side and to the right of person who is from Rajasthan. Next, leave it. Person from Uttarakhand and Punjab are not on the same side of the table. Next. Person from Punjab is sitting third right of person from Goa. Next. Who is not sitting diagonal opposite to the person from Himachal Pradesh? Leave it. Lavisha is sitting second right of Ruchi. Yes. For Ruchi. First right, second right is what? Here. The given is what? Here, Lavisha. The given is what? Here, Lavisha. Yes, friends, again. So, Lavisha is second right of the person, second right of Ruchi. Second right of Ruchi. Yes. Next. Friends, again. Next, any other clue point? Check here. Now, friends, again. Nidhi is sitting opposite to the person who is from Madhya Pradesh. Leave. Next. Now, take this point. Person from Punjab is sitting. Person from Punjab is sitting. Second right of person from Uttarakhand and second left of Parul. Who is not sitting? Who is Miss Far? Parul is not sitting near to Rajasthan. Parul is not near to Rajasthan means then for Parul here no chance. Here no chance means then this one is Lavisha. Then Parul here chance. Next Parul here also chance. Suppose if I take one is part Parul. This one is part Parul. Now the next one is what? Person from Punjab is sitting second right of person from Uttarakhand. Now next point is what? Again, person from Punjab is sitting second right of person from Uttarakhand and second left of Parul. Now friends, again they mention one is what? And here and qualifies here first person. First person is what? Punjabi second left of Parul and Punjabi second left of Parul. If I take one is what? Parul first left second left Punjab no chance. That means for Parul this is the only possibility. Friends, again. Friends, Parul is not immediate of Rajasthan. That means Parul here no chance. These two are the possibilities for Parul. If I take Parul here means now Punjabi second left of Parul. Then for Parul first left, if I take here first left second left no chance. Then this is the only possibility for Parul. Now take the given is what? Person from Punjab is sitting second right of person from Uttarakhand and second left of Parul. And qualifies here first person Punjabi second left of Parul. Now Parul. Now for Parul first left second left is what? Here Punjab. This one is what? Here Punjab. Friends, here. So friends, here Punjabi second left of Parul. Next. Before point is what? Person from Punjab is sitting second right of person from Uttarakhand. Yes. Punjabi second right of Uttarakhand. Now this one is what? Here Uttarakhand. This one is what? Here Uttarakhand. Yes, friends, here. Leave. This one is what? Uttarakhand. Next. Next friends, here. Next take here any other clue point. Next friends, again, the clue point is what? Nidhi is sitting opposite to person from Madhya Pradesh. Nidhi is opposite to Madhya Pradesh. Nidhi is opposite to Madhya Pradesh. So friends, remaining possibilities for person is what? Here chance, here also chance. If I will take here Nidhi here, opposite Madhya Pradesh, no chance. Then this one is what? Here Nidhi. This one is what? Here Nidhi. Nidhi is opposite to person from Madhya Pradesh. Person from Madhya Pradesh. Yes. Now all persons are completed. One check here. Nidhi completed. Next Lavisha. Next Divya. Rahul, Parul. Next, here one person is there, here one person also there. Then leave it. Next, take here any other clue point. Friends, check here. The person from Goa is sitting second left of Seetal. Goa is sitting second left of Seetal. And so for Seetal, what are the possibilities? For Seetal, what are the possibilities? So remain two persons are here chance, here also chance. If I take here Seetal, first left, second left, Goa, no chance. Now this one is part here, Seetal, and this one is part here, Seetal. If I take this one is part Seetal, this one is part Seetal. Now first left, second left is part. See here, if I take this one is part Seetal, first left, second left is part Goa, second left is part here, Goa. Yes. So friends, here person from Goa is sitting second left of Seetal. Next, person from Gujarat is sitting third right of Manisha. Gujarati is third right of Manisha. Now for Manisha possibility is what? This one is Seetal, Nidhi, Lavisha, next Divya, Ruchi, Parul. Then this is the only possibility for Manisha. This one is the only possibility for Manisha. Now the question is what? Friends, check here. The given one is what? The person is from Gujarat is sitting third right of Manisha. Gujarat is third right of Manisha. For Manisha, facing inside. First right, second right, third right is what? Here, Gujarat. This one is what? Here, Gujarat. Gujarat is sitting third right of Manisha. Yes. Next one. For next point is what? They given one clue point, check once. Goa is not sitting opposite something. Person from Punjab is sitting third right of person from Goa. Punjab is third right of Goa. Yes. Goa facing inside. First right, second right, third right. Yes. Next. Who is not sitting diagonal opposite to person from Himachal Pradesh? That means Goa is not diagonal opposite to Himachal Pradesh. Goa diagonal opposite Himachal Pradesh. No chance. Then this is the only possibility for Himachal Pradesh. This is the only possibility for Himachal Pradesh. Yes. Now remaining is what? Remaining is what? Kerala. Remaining is what? Kerala. Yes. Now Manisha is from Kerala. Manisha is from Kerala. Yes. Now take your question number 24. Seetal is from which state? Seetal is from which state? Seetal is from which state here? Rajasthan. So question number 24. Answer is option A. Question number 25. Question number 25. Who is sitting opposite to the one who is from Goa? Opposite to Goa. Friends, opposite to Goa, who is there here? HP. That means Himachal Pradesh or Ruchi. So answer is what? Ruchi. So question number 25. Answer is option C. Question number 26. Which of the following persons are sitting on the same side of the table? Same side. Tina, Seetal, Didi. No. Tina is on length. Leave it. Next, Tina, Manisha. No. Tina is on length. Next one. Parul, Ruchi, Divya. Parul, Ruchi, Divya. No. Manisha. Next, this one has no chance. Next one. Manisha, Seetal, Divya. No. Manisha here. Seetal and Divya that place. Next, leave it. Next one. Seetal, Nidhi, Lavisha. Yes, friends. Seetal, Nidhi, Lavisha. Yes. These three are now same side. Question number 26. Option E. Next question number 27. Which of the following combination is correct? Seetal, Himachal Pradesh. Seetal, Himachal Pradesh. Sige, Seetal, Rajasthan. No. Next second one. Ruchi, Punjab. No. Next third one. Vanisha. That one is what? Lavisha, Gujarat. Friends, sige, Lavisha, Gujarat. No. Next one. Nidhi, Uttarakhand. Nidhi, Uttarakhand. Yes, this is the correct one. Question number 27. Answer is what? Option D. Question number 28. Who among the following is sitting along the length side of the table? Length side. Divya is Gujarat or Tina Punjab. Take care. Kerala they given no chance. Kerala they given no chance. Sige. They given Kerala no chance. Next. Gujarat. Yes. Gujarat. Sige. Gujarat is on the length side. Yes. Next one. Madhya Pradesh. No. Madhya Pradesh on the width side. Uttarakhand also on the width side. Then simple answer is what? Option B. Madhya Pradesh. Question number 28. Option B. Question number 29 to 32. Sige. If all the letters in each word are arranged in the alphabetical order from right to left. Friends, check here. The letters are arranged in the alphabetical order from right to left within the word. Within the word. Then arrange this one alphabetical order. So right to left one G. Next L. Next one is what? P U. Right to left alphabetical order. Next. Next one is what? Here H. Next one is what? Here I. Next one is what? N. Next one is what? T. Next one is what? Here A. Next one is what? Here E. Next one P. Next one is what? Here X. Next one is what? Here C. Next E. Next one is what? K. C. C. First lowest one is what? C. Second lowest one is what? Here E. Next one is what? K. Next one is what? Here R. Next one is what? Here R. After that, C. After the mention one is what? C. Which of the following is second from left hand after arranging the words as in the dictionary order from left to right? Now again we are going to arrange these words in the dictionary order. Yes friends, okay. So lowest one is what? Here starting U, next T, X, R. Lowest one is what? R. So this one is what? Left side first position. Next second lowest one is what? Here T. Then answer is what? T N I H. T N I H means what? This one is what? Hint. This one is what? Hint. So answer is what? Option C. So question number 29, option C. Question number 30, if all the vowels are changed to next letter and consonant are changed to previous letter in the English alphabetical series, then how many words has a letter twice? Yes friends, again. If all the vowels is changed to next letter, vowel means what? Plus one, next consonant means what? Here minus one. Yes. So friends, here P vowel or consonant, here consonant means what? Minus one. Minus one is what? Here friends, O minus P minus one is what? Here O. Next L minus 1 K, U vowel, then plus 1 V. Next one is what? G consonant, minus 1 is what? Here F. So our question is what? Then how many words has a letter twice? Letter twice. Here there is no letter is twice. Leave it. Next one. H before is what? Here G. I after J. N before M. T before is what? Here. Yes. Then no letter is twice. Leave it. Next one. U vowel V. Next R before is what? Here Q. I vowel J. Next C before here B. There is no letter is twice. Next one A. Next one is what? B. P before consonant before means what? O. A vowel means what? Next F. X before is what? W. No letter is twice. Next one R consonant before is what? Here Q. Next A vowel plus one F. C before next B. Next K before is what? Here J. Then so friends, they given one is what? How many words has a letter twice? Yeah friends, there is no letter is twice in the given word. See any letter is twice? No. Then simple answer is what? None. Answer is what? None. Question number 30, option A. Question number 31. If the words are arranged in the English dictionary order from left to right. Yes. Now we are going to arranging in left to right. Yes friends, check. Lowest one is what? Here apex. Lowest one is what? Here apex. Second lowest one is what? Here hint. Second one is what? Here hint. Next third one is what? Check it. Third one is what? Plug. Third one is what? Here plug. Next fourth one is what? Check it. Rec. R-E-C-K. Rec. Next one is what? Fifth one is what? U-R-I-C. Yes, leave it. Next one. Check it. The again question is what? How many letters are there in the English alphabetical series in between third letter of second word from right hand? First word, second word. Third letter from right hand is what? Here C. Next one. And fourth letter of second word from left hand. From left hand, second word is what? Hint. Fourth letter is what? T. Now between T and C, how many letters are there in the English alphabetical series? T face file is what? 20. C face file is what? Here 3. So friends, between how many here we are having means here. So friends, check here. Now 4 to 19. 4 to 19 total how many letters here we are having? Total we are having 16. Total here we are having 16. So friends, if you are having a doubt, check in 3. Next, that means D, E, F, G, H, I, J, like that. You should check. Total here we are having 16 letters. Total we are having 16 letters. Yes. So question number 31. Answer is what? Here, option B. Question number 32. If the first and third letters and as well as second and fourth letters are interchanged with the word. First and third are interchanged. Now that means check here. First and third. That means check here. First and third interchange means what? Here U, next one is what? Here P. Next at the same time, next second and fourth also interchange. That means here G, L. Next one. Here also first and third. First and third means what? Here N, next one is what? H. Next one second and fourth. That means here T, next one is what? I. Here first and third is what? Here I, next one is what? Here U. Next second one and fourth one. That means here C, next one is what? Here R. Next one is what? E. Next one is what? A. Next one is what? X. Next one is what? B. Next one C. Next one is what? R, K and E. Yes, friends, okay. So first and third letters are interchanged and second and fourth letters are interchanged within the word. Then arrange the words in the dictionary order from right to left. Now right to left we are going to arranging in the dictionary order. Yes. So friends, here right to left hand. Here right to left, here we are going to arranging the dictionary order. Total how many letters here we are having? Total how many words we are having? 5. But our requirement is what? Exactly middle. Yes. So friends, here first lowest one is what? Friends, here lowest one is what? Here C. That means here C will come first. Next second lowest one is what? Here E. Next E will comes. Next one is what? Third one is what? Here I. That means here I will come. That means Total of 5 letters. Exact middle means what? Third letter. Then answer is what? I say you are. I see you are means what? Here. You are. I say. So answer is what? You are. I say. Question number 32. Answer is option D. Question number 33 to 34. Friends, check here. Point T is 10 meter north of point R. Friends, check here. Point T is 10 meter north of point R. North of point R. Point S is 4 meter east of point R. Friends, check here. Point S is 4 meter. Point S is 4 meter east of point R. Next one is what? Point U is 10 meter east of point T. Now point U is friends, check here. Point U is 10 meter east of T. Then this one is what? 4 meter. Now remind one is what? Here 6 meter. Point U is 10 meter east of T. U is 10 meter east of T. Next one is what? Point P is 8 meter north of Q. Point P is 8 meter north of Q, which is 4 meter west of V. We don't know about V, P, leave it. Next one. Point U is 4 meter north of point V. Now, friends, check here. The given is what? Point U is 4 meter north of point V. U is 4 meter north of point V. V is 4 meter north of point V. Next, before point is what? Friends, check here. Point P is 8 meter north of point Q, which is 4 meter west of point V. Which is means what? Q is 4 meter west of point V. Now, friends, check here. Q is 4 meter west of point V. Next, point P is 8 meter north of Q. So friends, here point P is 8 meter north of Q. This one is what? 4. Now this one also compulsory 4. Yes, this is the given entire data. Take care given in question. Question number 33. What is the direction of point P with respect to? Yes, direction of point P with respect to S is what? East, west, north, south. Answer is what? Northeast. Answer is what? Northeast. Question number 33. Option A. Question number 34. What the shortest distance traveled by Ram to reach point V from point R if he is only allowed to travel in only on one path? Only on travel on path. Friends, see here, travel and path. That means there is no chance to take imaginary lines. No chance to take imaginary lines. See here. The given is what? He traveled only on path. That means there is no chance to take imaginary lines. Now, suppose. Now you travel like this. Then how much you travel? 10. Now you travel up to this one. Then this one is what? Here. Up to this one is what? 4. Now this one is what? Again. But if you will come like this, again, if you will go means it will be distance will get more. Why means here 4 will be add, here 4 will be add. Instead of that point, sige, he is coming, sige, he is going like this, 10. After that, he is going directly end again. 6 plus 4 is what? 10. 10 plus 10, total is what? 20. Now, this one is what? 4. Then simple answer is what? 24. So, by taking here single path, he is reaching to point V. Then, total distance traveled is what? Here, front check here. Here 10, next 6 plus 4, 10, here 4. Total is what? 24. Total is what? 24. The again clue point is what? Only allowed to travel on path. You should read that point only. Yes. Next, question number 34, option B. Question number 35 to 37. Here, the again questions are from inequalities. Take care of given statement. K greater than or equal to V, greater than or equal to Z, greater than U, less than or equal to E, equal to W, greater than I, greater than T, less than L. So first one is what? Here relations between E and T. One check here E and T, front check here. Equal to, greater than, greater than. Result is what? Greater than. So E greater than T. First one is true. Second one, U and K. U and K check once. Greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, greater than. Result is what? Greater than. So K greater than U. Then U less than K. But they mentioned less than or equal to K means second one is wrong. Then answer is what? Only first one, 35. Option A. Question number 36, front check here, the given statement, F equal to S, less than Q, less than or equal to T, greater than E, equal to D, greater than J, greater than or equal to G. First one, relation between F and E. One check here, between F and E, what are the symbols here? Equal to less than or equal to greater than. Opposite, we can't say. T and G, check once T and G, greater than, equal to, greater than or equal to. Result is what? Greater than. So T greater than G. Then second one is true. Then answer is what? Only second one. Next question number 37. Friends, check here. Take your given statement. Given statement is what? B greater than C, C less than or equal to D, equal to E less than or equal to F. For first one and second one here common is what? D. Now D is less than or equal to G. Now G equal to H greater than I. Greater than I. Take first conclusion here. H and F. One check here relation between H and F. Friends here, H and F equal to, greater than or equal to, equal to, less than or equal to. Both are opposite. Can't say. Second one, B and I. B and I. One check here, B and I. What are the symbols here? B to I. Greater than, less than or equal to, less than or equal. That means both are opposite means what? We can't say. Then second one also wrong. Then answer is what? Both are wrong. Option D. Next, question number 38 to 40. Here again question is from syllogism. First check, they mention what they wanted. Logically true or logically false. They mention is what? Logically follow. That means true conclusions. Take here given statement. Some fruits are jam. From check here fruit. Next, some fruits are jam. Some fruits are here jam. Next one is what? Only few jams are butter. Some jam is a butter. Some jam is a butter. At the same time, some part of jam is a not butter. Next one, all butter are ghee. Friends, okay, butter. This all butter is a ghee. All butter is a ghee. Take first conclusion. All ghee can be jam. All ghee can be jam. Friends, we know only some ghee is a jam. Whatever remaining ghee and jam, we can't say. We can't say me there is chance to keep ghee within this remaining part of jam or not. Yes. Then first one is true. First one is true. Here they mention can be. They mention here can be means what? Possibility. Next one. Some butter are not jam. Some butter is a not jam. We know some part of jam is not butter. We can't say some not in one direction means we are able to conclude. Reverse some not is not possible. Then second one is wrong. Third one. All butter or fruit is a possibility. All butter or fruit is a possibility. Butter and fruit relation is one. We can't say. Then possibility is true. Then answer is what? 1 and 3 are true. 1 and 3. That means answer is option C. Question number 38. Option C. Question number 39. Take a no. A tie is a bat. No tie is a bat. Next. All bats are football. All bats are football. Only few footballs are cricket. Some football is a cricket. At the same time, some part of football is a not cricket. Yes, leave. Take first conclusion. Some tie can never be. Can never be means what? Some not. Can never be means what? Some not. Some tie are not cricket. Tie and cricket relation is what? Can't say. Then first one is what? Wrong. Second one. All cricket can be bat is a possibility. All cricket can be bat is a possibility. All cricket can be bat is a possibility. Friends, here we know some part of football is not cricket. What about here? Bat and cricket means what? We can't say. Now the mention is part. All cricket can be bat. Yes, for cricket there is chance to keep within this part. Now the some part of football is not cricket. Yes, that means this one is possibility. This one is what? Possibility. Next one. Some cricket are not football. Some cricket is a not football. See here. We know some part of football is not cricket. We can't say some cricket is not football. Yes. Then third one is wrong. So answer is what? Only second one answer is option B. Question number 40. Next statement. All markers are erasers. Check here. Take here. Marker. These all markers are erasers. All marker is a eraser. Next. Some erasers are pencil. Some erasers are here pencil. Only few pencils are scale. That means some pencil is a scale. At the same time, some part of pencil is a not scale. Some part of pencil is a not scale. Yes. Take first conclusion. All scale or eraser is a possibility. Friends, here eraser and scale relation is what? Can't say. Can't say means here the mention one is what? Possibility. Then first one is true. Second one. Some scale are not marker. Scale and marker relation is what? Can't say. This one is simply wrong. Next one is what? All marker are pens. All marker are pens. Marker and pen relation is friends. All marker are pen. Friends, all marker are pen. Here pen only not there. Pen only not there. That means simply this one is what? Wrong. This one is simply wrong. Yes. Then simple answer is what? Only one follows. Only one follows. So question number 40. Answer is option A.